In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the high-low index, LazyBear, indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this indicator set up so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any symbol or time frame. The process is the same. Look towards the top of your chart for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, this might be labeled Indicators and Strategies, or just Indicators, usually near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Indicators window, where you can search and add new tools to your chart. Once that window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly into the search bar so your cursor is active there. This is where we're going to type the name of the indicator we want. Now, type High-Low Index LazyBear into the search bar. You don't have to worry about capitalization. Just make sure the words are spelled correctly and in that order. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators. You should see the high-low index created by the user known as LazyBear appear in the results. If it doesn't show up immediately, check your spelling or wait a second for the list to update. When you see the high-low index, LazyBear, in the results, click on it once. That will add the indicator to your chart, usually in a separate panel below your price candles. You should now see the lines and values that belong to this indicator. Next, to customize it, move your mouse over the indicator area on your chart. You'll see a small settings icon, which looks like a gear, appear either on the indicator label or in the indicator panel. Click that settings icon. This opens the settings window for the high-low index, where you can adjust things like inputs, colors, and line styles. Take a moment to review these options so the indicator matches your preferred visual style and time frames. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along with all the features shown, use the link provided in the video description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to the same tools and layout I'm using, and you can get the most out of the high-low index LazyBear indicator on your charts.